Moral and life lessons. The joy of sharing success. In the heart of Greenville, a small but thriving village, lived three friends, Mia, Leo, and Samde. Each year, they worked hard to harvest the best carrots from their respective farms for the annual Carrot Festival. This year was no different. As the days passed, Mia, Leo, and Sam worked tirelessly to ensure they had the finest harvest possible for the festival. They shared their knowledge, tools, and even a few laughs as they worked side by side. This teamwork proved fruitful, as they all collected a bountiful harvest. The day of the festival arrived, and the village was buzzing with excitement. Mia, Leo, and Sam proudly displayed their harvested carrots for all to see. The village elder, impressed by their cooperation, awarded them a special prize, a golden sun, symbolizing unity. Overwhelmed by their success, they began to discuss how best to share this special golden sun prize with others in the village. They decided that giving it back to the community would bring even more joy than keeping it for themselves. With the help of their friends, they organized a magnificent feast, using their carrot harvest to cook delicious dishes for everyone in Greenville. The villagers were touched by the three friends' generosity, and the joy was palpable. The villagers danced, laughed, and celebrated late into the night. They had never experienced such a heartfelt gathering before. Es ist eine Carrot, it is sold. Let help earn it. Mia, Leo, and Sam beamed with pride, knowing they had brought happiness to their community. The following day, as the three friends looked back on their actions, they felt a deep sense of accomplishment. They had learned the joy that came from sharing their success with others. As they returned to their farms, they vowed to continue working together and sharing their successes with the village. They knew that by helping each other, they could achieve even greater things in the future. From that day forward, the three friends lent a hand to anyone in need. They worked tirelessly to ensure the entire village thrived. Their actions did not go unnoticed, and they inspired others to follow their lead. Over the years, Mia, Leo, and Sam continued to make a positive impact in their village. The bond they forged through their unity grew stronger with each passing day. They had truly learned the joy of sharing success. As they grew older, Mia, Leo, and Sam looked back on their lives with a sense of pride. They had learned the importance of sharing their successes and had touched the lives of countless others in Greenville. Their actions served as a shining example for generations to come. In the end, the three friends realized that the true joy of sharing success wasn't just about material possessions. It was about the connections they made, the friendships they forged, and the love they shared with their fellow villagers. They had truly discovered the magic of unity, kindness, and selflessness.